What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Alright guys, in this video we're going to be doing a few upgrades on our blue truck. We've kind of been neglecting this now since we've been working on the quad and we've been working on the other burgundy truck, so it's time to give this baby some more love. So if you guys remember, we started already by changing our wrap from our hood and the wrap from the back, but there's a few things that we still need to get done. Alright guys, we are going to be starting with installing our cover brake light. This is the new one I got. I ended up getting a new one because the other one was already severely damaged. The tint that I put over it, it got really stuck on it and it would not get removed. So I think it was some cheap tint. I went ahead and bought some Vivid Taillight tint. So that one's a high quality one. So I'm going to be wrapping it or tinting it, and then we're going to go ahead and reinstall it here in place. Alright, this taillight, or whatever you want to call it, it's fairly easy to wrap. It's all flat. So this is what I'm going to be using. Where is it at? Vivid tint right here. So it comes in a roll. I'm just gonna cut a small piece out of this and wrap it real quick. Is our tinted piece right here. So all there is some 3M in the back. I'm going to put the wires through this hole here. I thought I was going to have to wrap that little piece there, but this is going to cover it. So I'm going to go ahead and just do it right now. Take this 3M. I cleaned this area with alcohol already. Run the wires through and attach it. So there we have it. Bam. Now it matches all of these. The next thing on our list is to fix our fog lights. I think one of them doesn't turn on. I'm gonna turn it on right now to see which one it is. Alright, there we have it. So it seems like it's this one. I'm not sure if it's just the bulb itself or the whole ballast. So I'm gonna go ahead and install a new bulb here first, and then we'll see if that was it. Alright guys, we got it all fixed. Both our lights are working nice and bright. So we ended up putting brand new bulbs in there, and the culprit was these. These are old as hell. So I bought these when HIDs first came out, back in like 2010 probably. So the bulbs look like they're still good, so I'm going to keep the bulbs, but I'm going to be throwing away these. Now we have these that are nice and bright. So unlike my other truck, all of them have LEDs on the other one. These are still all HIDs, including our high beam. I don't know if you guys can see it there. They're all HIDs. So I might do a future comparison video of whether HIDs are a lot brighter than LEDs. But there we have it, man. We got that all fixed. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this area up so we can move on to the next thing on our list. All right, next thing on our list, we're gonna print out our sticker with our logo here. If you guys notice, I put it on my quad, I put it on the other truck. I haven't put it on this truck yet, so I'm gonna do it here and probably on the gas tank too, like I did on the other truck. Let me know if you guys want me to mass produce the stickers. If you guys want a sticker, let me know in the comment section below. I'll probably start making a lot of them to sell them online. But I'm gonna go ahead and print it out now, and I'll show you guys the process. All right, so we do have our big, I think it's called a US cutter, vinyl cutter. So this is what we're gonna use to cut out our logo. So I'm gonna go on my computer first and transfer the logo to the program that's gonna cut it. All right, the program we use is called Sure Cuts a Lot 5. So we're gonna import our logo and put it on here. All right, so we imported our logo in here. If you guys are interested in making your own logo, I went on Fiverr.com, like the number 5, Fiverr.com, and there's graphic designers that will do your logo. I think I only paid like 20 or 30 bucks for them to make this logo. The guy showed me, it's interesting, he was a guy from Dubai or something like that, and he showed me like 5 or 6 different logos. I really like this one, and I just told him to do the little shield around it. So it's not bad for 20, 30 bucks. You know, those are my initials, and I loved it. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably do a 5-inch height here. 5-inch height. There we go. Put it up to the corner. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and print this out on white, and then we'll cut it out and put it on our truck. But that's our sick ass logo right there. All right, this gives us a little preview of how it's gonna be cut here in the corner. And we have the needle set right here. Peel it off, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. All right, this is how it looks. Now we're gonna put some transfer paper on here and take it outside to put it on the truck. Alright, it's gonna go like right here. ¿Qué pasó? Hmm? What's up, guys? Sorry to interrupt the video. We got a few new things coming to the channel. First thing you might have noticed, we changed our channel name. We are now Project VC. I think it goes along better with my brand and everything. This is my brand right here. We're having new merch, so this is dropping. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. Make sure you guys cop yours. So we got new merch. We're gonna be building new merch now with our logo here. These are hats, these are snapbacks here. So if you guys enjoy watching these videos, make sure you guys buy the merch and support the channel. I'm gonna be coming out with t-shirts pretty soon, and also probably some sweaters. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Again, I'm leaving the link in the description below so you guys can check those out. These hats are sick, all embroidered. I'm making sure that everything is high quality here. Bam. Right now, the only ones we have is burgundy ones to match the truck. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and stay tuned. We're gonna have different colors available pretty soon. So make sure you get yours now. Alright guys, the next thing we're gonna be doing is putting an embossed logo here. So I'm gonna show you how that's done. First of all, we have to remove this wrap here. So we're gonna grab an edge. See if we can do it without heat. Obviously it's a lot better with heat. So there we have it. It's all done here and nicely wrapped. So we got this done and we got this logo done. I think we're pretty much set. So make sure you guys tune in to see our next video when we finally drop this truck. I'm probably gonna start with the first video of dropping the front, and then we're gonna be dropping the back. So make sure you guys are subscribed. So you make sure you guys tune in. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.